Hi friends, if you've changed your ringtone over the years and want to hear Samsung's iconic melody again, you're in the right place. The famous over-the-horizon ringtone has been the signature sound of Galaxy phones for many years, and switching back to it only takes a minute. Follow these simple steps to restore the classic Samsung ringtone on your device. Start by opening the settings menu. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap sounds and vibration. This section contains all the options related to your phone's audio, including ringtone, notifications, and system sounds. Next, tap Ringtone. Your phone will display a list of all the built-in ringtones available on your device. Samsung includes different ringtone options depending on your phone model, Android version, and One UI software version. Scroll through the list until you find Over the Horizon. This is Samsung's official signature ringtone and has been featured on Galaxy smartphones since 2011. Every year, Samsung releases a refreshed version of this melody with its latest flagship devices while keeping the familiar tune that Galaxy users recognize. If you're using one of Samsung's newest Galaxy phones, you may find Over the Horizon 2026 in the ringtone list. Simply tap it to hear a preview, then select it to make it your default ringtone. If you're using an older Galaxy device like mine, the latest version may not be available. In my case, I selected Over the Horizon 2024, which still provides the classic Samsung sound. If your phone offers an earlier version, just choose the newest Over the Horizon available on your device. Once you've selected your preferred version, the change is saved automatically. There's no need to press a save button. From now on, every incoming call will play your chosen Samsung ringtone. Enjoy your classic Samsung ringtone. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Galaxy tutorials.